Hey baddies, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be filming an unboxing of my new Moterm and moving out of my old Moterm. I like to watch these kinds of videos, so hopefully you guys can get into it too. Before we get started on the video, I've had so many requests to do a perfume collection review, and because I'm a finance channel, I just I don't think it will get any traction. Me reviewing fragrances. So instead of doing that, what I'll do is at the beginning of every video, I'll show you a fragrance and we'll talk about it, okay? So let's go with this one. This one is Valentino Donna Born in Roma, and this is a really sweet, like sexy, like she got money scent. It's a night out scent, or when you're trying to, smell good for bae, that's a really good one. That size that I bought was, I think, about $135, but they do come in a 1 ounce size that's significantly cheaper. So yeah, feel free to check that out. All right, let's get into it. I'm doubling back. I'm going to throw this edit in the video. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. I was checking through my analytics and there are so many of you who countlessly watch my videos, but you aren't subscribed and you don't turn your post notifications on. So make sure you guys are subscribed if you love my content so that I can, interact with you all more and you can be included in giveaways and things like that. All right. I guess what we'll do first is unbox the Moterm. So I've already opened this and checked it for quality, just in case I needed to return because I had never purchased one from Amazon before. And the link for this one will be in the description box. So of course it comes with the Moterm dust bag, which is really cute. It feels almost suede. And then I got this beautiful black croc material wallet. I wanted this one initially, but a subscriber or somebody in the community, somebody sent me this one, so I just used that one. This is a really pretty pink, and blush pink is my favorite color anyway, so it worked. But I went ahead and invested and bought me one of these. So here's the inside we see. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this little plastic piece off, and of course it has the 3 card slots here, and then this outside slot, the zipper for your change. This pocket here opens. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slots back here. You can store things here, and then of course my favorite part is the huge wallet portion. Okay, it also comes with some dated lined sheets if you'd like to add those, and of course the extra card slots with the pen holder that Moterm is known for. And again, you just add this extra addition inside and it gives you 3 more card slots and also some division if you want to have sections. Okay, and so I actually won't be using these, so I'm going to put them back inside, put the dust bag inside, and we'll sit this whole wallet over here. So now we are going to be moving out of this wallet. So first thing you see here is just some ace tape paper. What is this called? Line art that I liked. I'm really into like curvy bodies. I'm a plus size girl, so I just thought these were really cute. And so I didn't want to buy them, so I made them. And as you move through here, I keep cards here. Sometimes I'll put my ID here if I'm gonna be busy and I know I need it, but usually I'll just slide it up here. And I keep my business cards in this little wallet. And here's a little cover sheet, some more line art, just some stuff I made in Canva and printed. And then of course, my cash envelopes that again I made. I sell these in my shop. I keep some stamps because as you guys know, I have a business. So if I'm out somewhere and I need to mail something, that's nice to have. And then also I keep my gift cards here. So not gift cards, but store cards there. So, and I just, back behind this this little flap, I just keep business cards on me in case I need to give one out while I'm out and about. And here I keep investment cards, passport cards, stuff like that. And then I just made these little little affirmation kind of encouragement sheets for myself, just to keep my eye on the prize when I am dealing with my money and flipping through here. You know, it just is a good reminder. So let's go ahead and remove all of this stuff out. See, mind your business. I covered these up with Post-its, of course, so y'all can't see my information, but so yeah. Move those out. And you guys, if you are repairing your credit, self-lender is a really good way to go about doing that. So I'll also link my self-lender affiliate code in the description box. It has helped me gain several points as far as credit goes. So I'm going to empty out my change here. Okay. And what else do I need to take out? I want to have some receipts. Oh, and a check. So we'll set that off camera. So that's it for this wallet. It's still in like pristine, perfect condition. I may just wipe it down with the baby wipe and resell it. I'm not sure yet. I don't know if I'll be, you know, wanting to go back to this one, but if I don't, I'll probably just post it online for sale and recoup some of my money. So that's it for this one. So let's move in to our new wallet. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna put this change, let's see where I can put it. I need to put it into my ATM, but I'll do it after the video. So these are some things that I made for my Moterm. I usually make everything I use. I just stuck it inside of this little mailer so nothing got wet or ruined. Okay. And so this, I've had this for a while. So Crafty Sana, I think is her name. I got this from her shop. It didn't quite go with my other wallet, so I just saved it, or I was gonna give it away, but now it goes perfect with this one. There is our goodbye to all of our old things, and let's get ready to add in our new things. So let's set this baby up. Alrighty, very first in here, I'm going to add my cards back, just because I'd be forgetting where stuff goes. So while it's fresh on my mind, let's go ahead and put our cards back. Okay, and then my credit cards go here. Just in case I slipped up and showed something. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this one in here. Going to add these cards. These cards. And I'm gonna keep my manifestation cards. I may go back and make some black and gold ones, but these are just really, it's really nice to see when I'm flipping through my wallet. Just a little reminder, little reminders that I'm important and to invest in myself. Alrighty, so first things first, as you can see, that first wallet was really full of change. So I just wanted to have something extra for coins if I ever need to pull them out and make room. So this will just sit in here for the just in cases. And also, this, I really love this quote. I am on a weight loss journey, but I try to always remember to value myself as well. And sometimes it's okay to eat the dang cake, you know? So that one's gonna go in there. Okay, and then I went ahead and made me some teller slips. Sometimes when I'm on the go, I need to go ahead and stop and get cash, and my slips are at home. So I just wanted to have a few here in my wallet. These are super cute. They're kind of see-through, and I'm digging this minimalist look. And so I'll have these if I need them to go to the bank. And then I also made me some new cash envelopes. I wasn't sure if I wanted to use the peekaboos or these. I decided to go ahead and give these a try. I made these before I decided on, you know, the black and gold aesthetic, but I still really love them. They're really pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and add these in here as well. And these are the same categories. So we have shopping, eating out, laundry, gas, and groceries. Okay, and so this is all the finance portion of my stuff. And so one of the things I am going to keep in here from my other binder is my store cards and stuff. I'm not gonna change these up. I really like these. I got this idea from OhmyfroBudgets, and they're really easy to make, super cheap to make, and they're just so handy when I go in the store. I can just reach and grab my store cards. So I'm gonna be keeping those. So I have my teller slips, I have my cash envelopes. So I'm not, oh, let me quit stuttering. So those will be little ace tape covers. So I also made some expense trackers. I'm really trying to get better about watching where every dollar goes. And sometimes when you're on the go, you're not carrying your binder or paper to document every expense. I don't carry my sinking funds everywhere. So I decided I would put some expense trackers in here. So when I'm out and I just grab food or grab something from Walgreens, I can jot it down and then I can go home and add it to my big tracker. So I'm going to go ahead and add these in here as well. And these will not be for individual envelopes. This will be just any expenses, or I may separate it by card. So yeah, I just thought these were really cute. I made these myself and just printed them out on, I'm not sure if it's vellum or ace tape paper, and laminated them, but they came out so cute and they're so minimalistic and I'm into it. Okay, and so up here for my cover, of course, you know I am Baddies and Budgets, so I made me a little baddie sign. Again, just obsessed with it. I based it off the theme of, you know, those bags that say thank you, thank you, thank you. So, you know, I went with that. Again, I'm going to keep my business cards up here. And I think, because, you know, I'm all about the baddie thing, and so I made an extra too, so I'm just going to throw this one at the back. I wasn't sure if I wanted it laminated or not, but I really like the look of just the ace tape paper on this black background. Okay, and so in front of Eat the Cake Sis, I will add my curvy lady because I'm obsessed with this and I'll probably never throw it away. And right before my cash envelopes, I kind of poked a hole in the quote. I should have scooted it over more, but it says save money and money will save you. And that's a quote I've had up in my phone for a while, and so I just wanted to throw it in my wallet. Okay, so I'm going to add in my receipts here. I need to scan those into Fetch Rewards, which is also linked in my bio. And so we are complete. Okay, so let's do a flip through. We have our cards, coins, we have our baddie cover page. Here we have a baddie. Remember to eat the cake, sis. Save money and money will save you. And so while we're here, let me go ahead and transfer over my money from my old envelopes. Oops. Okay, I had gas money left. And I'm sorry y'all, I know I haven't been wearing nails and stuff lately, but I've been having a ton of orders and it's really hard to work with long nails, so I've been just natural nailing it for a while. Okay, and so I don't have anything for eating out or shopping. And again, here I can track my expenses and just use a Sharpie pen, and you know, they're reusable or whatever. My teller slips for if I need to get cash on the go, and then just store cards. And so that's it, y'all. Let me go ahead and add in my planner charm. It's really a planner charm, but it's like the perfect length for these wallets. And so I just hook it in here. I know it's probably really loud on video. And so it goes here, and I keep it like that. And I also have a little ollie clip, but I didn't bring it in here with me for some reason. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I believe this wallet, I think it was less than $60 or right around $60. I'll link it in the description and you guys can check it out. It's definitely an investment piece, but it's just so beautiful and so functional. Especially with me having businesses and needing to take large amounts of money, I always feel safe just throwing it in here. I get so many compliments on it. It's just a really beautiful wallet. So if you guys are interested, check it out. And that's it. I just told you guys I would share unboxing this because so many people see it and have questions. So that's it, y'all. Have a good day. Bye.